United USA.
Check this out. Check it out. Yeah, let's go, Brandon. Yes. Let's go, Brandon. See what that sign says? It says, fuck Biden. Oh, that is awesome. I've seen people get pulled over with stuff like that, but oh my gosh, that is awesome. Just rolling with the Let's Go Brandon. Oh my gosh. Oh, that just made my day. That was the cherry on the icing on the cake. After a great work day, that's just, love it. It's awesome. Yo, show your support for this video and the others with a hashtag Let's Go Brandon.